back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, TIRANISSYA, and now I'm gonna say thank you so much to all of you guys, because my YouTube channel reached 10,000 subscribers, and that was amazing. Oh my god, thank you so much, really, to all of my subscribers, to all of my Instagram followers, or maybe some of you it's the same person, and to all of you who always supported me. Really thank you. I never thought that I'd come this far, and this is really my big achievement. I don't know, I just try to make something. I just try to make the best video from the best of me. Yeah, I don't know, I'm so happy, you know. Anyway, sorry if it makes you confused, because in this video I speak English because I just want to celebrate this achievement very special, and I just want to try to make something new, something like that. Also, I just want to tell the world that I'm so happy. Anyway guys, as you know, YouTube doesn't make play button to congrats 10,000 subscribers, so I decided to make my own play button, and it's still related to my content anyway. I want to make a rustic YouTube play button. Is it interesting, right? So let's take a look. How is it gonna be? Check it out. Yep, these are all the items that I've prepared. First, there is a picture frame, and the size is 30 cm to 40 cm. Use cardboard, burlap, and there are two colors of the burlap that I have, the light one and the dark one. And I didn't know what is it called in English. I guess it's a dried grass, something like that. Yeah. Dried edelweiss, and some rustic accessories that I have. A piece of a flannel, scissors, and wax glue. First, I want to make the basic form of the play button. This cardboard paper has been cut into 20 cm to 12 cm. And now I'm going to cut each corner into a blunt. And then wrap the cardboard paper using burlap after getting the appropriate piece. And stick it using wax glue. Then prepare a piece of cardboard for the side of the play button, and it's about 3 cm wide. And do the same thing like before, is covering the cardboard paper using burlap. And then I want to make triangle shape from this cardboard and cover it using flannel. Next, I'll stick the side part to the base part of it. Yeah, the play button is ready. The next step is to decorate the picture frame by attaching this dried grass to the bottom of the frame. But wait, I think I have to stick the play button first before covering the other area with dried grass. Next, cover all the basic area of the frame with the dry grass. And after everything is covered with dry grass, I want to make a congratulations text using this cardboard. Yeah, it's gonna be look so rustic, right? To look more rustic, I'm gonna tear this paper like this. To make this congratulations text to look like real play button, finish. Anyway, I've cut the side of the cardboard to adjust the piece of the paper. And then start decorating the play button area using edelweiss flowers and the other rustic accessories. YouTube play button is ready. Wow! Okay guys, I think that's all for the rustic YouTube play button DIYs. I hope you enjoy watching every single video on my YouTube channel. And for those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please push the subscribe button and turn the notification on. So also don't forget to give me likes and comment below. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.